Don't have a lot of space. This little compact workout bench may be exactly what you need. I was just sent this compact workout bench that I'm really liking because it actually has so much versatility. You've actually got 7 different backrest positions. You can even go completely flat. You can also go at a decline, incline, anywhere that you want to have it, which is fantastic. You also have 4 separate seat positions on this that can be adjusted by just simply pulling this out and adjusting this piece here and getting it set exactly where you want to have it on there. So you can have that flat, incline, decline on that. And then you also have 3 separate leg positions that's optional just simply by unscrewing this piece here on the back. That can be completely removed or you can leave it attached. But I kind of wanted to show you how easy this is to do because even just having your seat on here, this is a nice multi-layer seat, extremely comfortable, durable, very nice padded. To give you an idea of the size, I'm 6'2" and weigh about 190 pounds. Fits me just fine, works out really great as far as being able to do those workouts. This leg piece here is really nice because even if you're gonna go down all the way back here, you can lock your feet in. You can then do your deep crunches with that, which is really nice for that part. So you can have it be a complete flat bench. That way, if you're gonna be doing any kind of workouts where you're needing to get on this bench and do like pull over rows or anything like that, you can easily do that. So a lot of versatility, but the beauty of this particular item here is the fact that it can simply fold up if you're living in an apartment or something where you need to have this thing fold completely up. Drop that down, pull this piece out, drop it down, and then you just pull this one pin that is here, and now the entire thing folds up, and you can get it put up in a corner of a room. And it can go all the way up in a corner of a room. Again, taking out this optional piece here, it folds completely up to where that way you have put it in a closet, carry it around. Not extremely heavy, but it is extremely durable. This would work out pretty well in any small, tight space or in anybody's home gym where you're looking to get a quick workout and save some space while doing it.